In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a company on Whop. If you're retiring a brand, consolidating workspaces, or simply cleaning up your account, I'll walk you through the exact process and the key checks you need to make along the way. First, sign into your Whop account. Start from the homepage and log in with your usual credentials so you land on your dashboard. If your account manages more than one business, make sure you're working inside the correct one. Look for the company selector in your dashboard and switch into the specific company you intend to remove. Double check the name before moving on. Everything that follows will apply only to the company you have active. Next, open Settings from the left sidebar. Inside the Settings area, navigate to Company Settings, sometimes labeled Business Settings. This section controls organization-level actions, including deletion. Before you delete anything, prepare the account. Deletion isn't allowed while there are active members, active subscriptions, or any ongoing payments tied to the company. Take a moment to cancel any plans, remove remaining members, and unpublish products that are still for sale. If you run subscriptions, end them so future charges stop. It can help to communicate with anyone still listed as a member, so there are no surprises. Give transactions a moment to settle if payments are currently processing. When your company is clear of active activity, scroll to the bottom of the company settings page. Look for a section labeled Delete Company, or sometimes Danger Zone. This area contains irreversible actions. Click Delete Company. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read it carefully, as it may outline exactly what will be removed and whether the deletion is immediate or scheduled. Follow the prompt to confirm. Depending on policy and pending activity, your company will either be deleted right away or queued for deletion. If a name or phrase is required to confirm, type it exactly as shown. Once confirmed, you're done. The company will be permanently removed or scheduled for removal, and you'll no longer manage it from your dashboard. If a grace period applies, the interface will note it, and no new charges or memberships will continue under that company. That's the full process for deleting a company on Whop. Review your selections carefully, clear any active items, and finalize the deletion from the danger zone. Thanks for watching.